Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we will know how to transfer money abroad using TransferWise. First, we will sign up and log into our account. Please note that you have to verify your address proof during sign up. After signing in, we can see the dashboard and green button on the bottom to send money. Let's assume we are transferring 1000 euro to India. At the time I am making this video, the rate at which we will receive money in India via TransferWise is 87.13. Now let's check what is the actual price going on at this moment. It is 87.98. So why the difference? TransferWise is not a free app. They take payment for transferring your money, although it is cheaper than bank transfers. Moreover, TransferWise has different modes to transfer your money: fast transfer and low cost transfer. Based on the country you are in, fast transfer mode makes immediate transaction and your money is transferred abroad instantaneously, while low transfer is little cheaper and it takes around 2 to 3 days to transfer your fund. TransferWise show price comparison of different similar apps like Remitly, PayPal, etc. After selecting the amount, you will add recipient detail as account name and number, IFSC or SWIFT code. Make sure all the details you have entered are correct. Click on the account you want to transfer and define the purpose of transfer. Let it be family maintenance for this video. Then application will ask you to confirm details of your account number and transfer fees. You can now select mode of transfer. For fast mode of transfer, you can either use Apple Pay, debit card or credit card. While low cost transfer, you have to transfer your money manually into TransferWise account. Low cost transfer allow you to take complete value for your money. Another type of transfer mode is easy transfer or soft transfer. While it is only available in few countries like Germany, Italy and Switzerland. TransferWise allow you to transfer money all across the world. Let's check the transfer rate of Pakistani rupee. With TransferWise, you are getting the rate of 189.9 rupees. Let's check the actual rate at this moment. The actual rate at this moment is 198.5 rupee. Similarly, you can transfer the money all across the world, like in USD, pound, dirham. The mode of transfer vary based on the currency you are selecting. Some countries are having more modes of transfer which make them convenient to transfer the funds across the globe, like US dollar. You can also select the exact amount you want the recipient to receive and transfer the exact amount. TransferWise is one of the most easiest and simple app which you can download and transfer with your smartphone. There are various other similar apps which I will cover in other videos. Thank you all for watching.